Island archipelago, the contract are so signed and returned, which means a certain security. Those weeks' work will secure a couple of months in Spain without income, but as always I have at least one plan. I think I will be able to do what I want regardless of income. I get that by doing practically nothing. It will never get better than here because when you get there there is always a new there. That was something a good friend of mine pointed out sternly. I disagree. Which I often do, but let me explain. That philosophy limits the person to stop striving for improvement by being satisfied with what one has, where one is and who one is. I who pass over the world like a tiny atom would lose all color and die. That reality doesn't suit me. Just like the trees in the picture, how differently we interpret them. Not too long ago I had a conversation with a person who expressed a longing for my freedom to do what I do. I turned it around and gently said, "Some nights I too wish I had the awfulness you have." There was silence for a few seconds, then the realization hit. Not just what you have, but also that you can get exactly what you want based on other people's choices from that person's perspective. The differences between the person in question and me are choices based on our different circumstances. As the picture shows. The convenience of already packed fruit, comfortable with a safe everyday life, or a wild plant but comfortable in its robust beauty. And forbidden fruit has always tasted best, ask the first woman banished from Eden. I have to admit I don't remember why the fruit is wrapped, but there is a logical explanation for it. The world is a fair playground to me. If I stay in Europe I can bounce east, west and south without falling over the edge of the world. Because if I was rushing to catch up and thus synchronize my pace with time, then maybe it's time to slow down and let time catch up. Go in a different direction if the end goal is not to your satisfaction. Change requires new paths. Just like an LP, the RPM must be right for the music to sound good. My record runs much faster than the player, according to the norm of everybody else. Even when it stands still, should I conform to the norm or just be myself? Can you see me in a blue suit on a concrete floor for 15 years? Me neither. Wild fruit doesn't have to be forbidden fruit. Not yet anyway, and today, dude. My fruit tastes good as it's free falling.